Welcome back to another quick guide. Today I'll teach you how to add VHS effect to video CapCut. And it's literally an easy process. Make sure to watch until the end of the video to know how it's done. Adding a VHS effect to your video in CapCut can give it a retro, nostalgic feel. Here's a step-by-step guide on how to apply the VHS effect to your video using CapCut on your device. Launch the CapCut app on your phone, tap on your project button, then choose the video you want to edit from your gallery. Tap Add to import it into your project. Then scroll through the bottom menu options and tap on Effects. Tap on Video Effect, then browse through the categories to find the VHS effect. Tap on the VHS effect to preview it. Then tap on Cancel. Then tap on the check mark to apply the VHS effect to your video. The effect will be added to the video clip and the timeline. If needed, adjust the duration of the VHS effect by dragging the edges of the effect layer and the timeline to match the desired length of your video. Tap the play button to preview the video with the VHS effect applied. Once you are satisfied with the effect, tap on the export button at the top right corner. By following these steps, you can effectively add a VHS effect to your video in CapCut, creating a retro nostalgic look for your project. And that's all for now, folks. Thanks for watching.